Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this error with OBS and a black screen when you try to do a capture of a display screen. So let me show you my setup. I've got three screens. Number one is the actual laptop. I'll use a Metabox. And the laptop screen is number one. Number two, it's a Samsung 32-inch screen. And number three is also a Samsung 32-inch screen as well. So what I'm gonna show you now is I'll show you what the problem is, and then I'm gonna show you how to fix it. So let's go back here. So I've created a source, and the source is display 1, which is this actual laptop screen. So if I do this, at the moment you see that it's completely blank. And the reason for that is because I've got actually two display adapters. So I've got an Intel HD graphics card and an NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1060. So what it's doing at the moment is the actual laptop display is using the NVIDIA GeForce. What we needed to do is OBS has to use the Intel HD graphics card, and in order to do that, what we have to do is we have to go to the display settings. So go to display settings, the display settings will be displayed once again. Go to graphic settings, go to classic app, now browse, and you have to select the location where OBS 64.exe, the executable, is located. In my particular case, it was under C drive, program files, OBS-studio/bin/64-bit, and just select OBS 64. Select that, select options, and at the moment it says it sets the graphic preference as system default, and by default I believe it's using the NVIDIA GeForce, so we want to switch it and select to power saving so that it's using the Intel HD graphics 630. Click on save, close it. I'm just gonna close this and restart it, but I'll show you what happens when I switch it to one of the displays, other displays. So display 2, as you can see, it's displaying the second display, which is the Samsung via the NVIDIA, but if we go back to 1, it's not working. So I'm just gonna close this, start it up again. And now it's working. As you can see, display 1 is now capturing the laptop screen and it's working. So if you're running into that problem, then this is the fix for it. The only problem now is if you want to capture the other two screens or the other screens that are using the NVIDIA, you can't do that. As you can see here, it only displays one display, and it's probably because I selected the Intel HD display adapter. So if you want to capture the screen that is on your laptop, then select the options that I just showed you via the display settings. Otherwise, if you want to capture the additional screens that's connected to the NVIDIA card, then remove that option, so you can't basically do all three screens at the same time. So in order to remove it, select display settings, Scroll down, graphic settings, move that, or you have the option to just select high performance. See if it picks it up. You gotta close this down, start it up again. As you can see, it's gone black again. But now you're able to select the other screens, which is what you want. So I'm just going to show you how to do that. So now you have the option to select the other screens. So if we go to this one, it shows that. And then if I go to display 3, it will show that. So then you're able to add multiple screens. So let's change this back to number 2. There you go. You can change to the multiple screens. So this is how I've got it set up now. Except for number 1 here, it's not capturing the laptop screen as it's using the onboard Intel video card. I hope this helped some of you. If you still need some help, leave me a comment and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And if it also has helped, give it a like and subscribe to the channel.